In this quick video, I'm going to explain how you can upload YouTube Shorts from your phone, so let's jump into it. So first, what you want to do is open up the YouTube app, and once you're on the YouTube app, make sure you're logged into the correct channel. So you can see in the bottom right hand corner, I'm logged into KnowledgeBase. Now what I'm going to do is click on the plus icon, which is in the bottom middle of the screen, and that will take me to this window. Now from here, I can upload a video, or I can scroll to the right and upload a short. So because we want to upload a short, I'm going to scroll to the right, and you can see on the bottom we've got video, short and live. So I'm going to click on short. So now we are inside of the YouTube Shorts editor. Now what we can do, we can go ahead and select a video. So if you see in the bottom left hand corner, you've got a square icon. Once you click on that, it's going to open up all of your media. So now I've clicked on that, we can go ahead and find the YouTube short. Now you may have this in a folder, or you just may have it in your recents. I'm going to click on recents in the top left, and then we're going to go ahead and click on the shorts folder, and that's where my short is located. Then I can click on that short. So now we've got the short uploaded, we can now do some basic editing, like editing the timeline and adjusting the video. Well, because it's a finished short and I'm happy with it, I'm going to click done in the bottom right hand corner. Now that's going to process that short, and we should then be able to upload it. So now we've added that short. Now you can see at the top here, you've got the timeline on how much time you've got left on the short, but because we've got a finished short, I'm just going to click the tick icon in the bottom right hand corner. Now you can see we've got our short again, and we can again make additional edits, but because I'm happy with the short, we can go to next in the top right. Now it's going to ask us to title our short, and we can then publish it. So here we've got the details. YouTube knows it's a short and it says caption your short. So go ahead and add an engaging caption. Go ahead and then change the visibility to public if you want to make this public straight away. And then once you're happy with that, you can click upload short in the bottom right hand corner, and that will then upload that short to your YouTube channel. So I hope that quick video did help you out.